Next up, we need to add some little text boxes. So comic books have these little rectangles where you remember we're doing 6 photos and 6 words, and the 6 words help to tell your story. It's usually a phrase for your PSA, like don't bully, right, in 6 words, whatever you'd come up with. You can have those words all as one, or kind of have a couple up here or a final saying at the end. Look at some examples. But to create those, we're going to take this rectangle tool down here on the left. And we have a white fill. And we want to click on this and add a black stroke. We can adjust the stroke thickness in a little bit. But we're going to take that for now and see what we say. And somewhere in the panel where you want to add words, maybe like I'll just do this one as an example. I can even go outside the panel a little bit. You can see I have this rectangle. That stroke is not thick enough, so I'm going to add more to it until I can see a nice kind of stroke like that. And I kind of just dragged it so it kind of stands out like that. I can also come in, double click, add a drop shadow, and make that panel stand out. I'm going to take my zoom, my magnifying tool right here, magnify. I'm going to zoom in to that. I could take my selection tool here, and with that rectangle layer selected, I can move that. I like it to have like hang off the edge a little bit. We have a type tool, right, to add your words, and this is the color of the text. Let's go with black. And then instead of Helvetica, what if we go in and pick Comic Sans? Click inside of our shape here, and I'm going to click text like that. And then with my selection tool, I can drag it around. Now if you want to change the size, right, T for type tool, you double click, and up here's the size. But Comic Sans, it's kind of its purpose, give it that comic look, and you have text like that. Now if I command minus, I can zoom out and see how my text and text box looks. So think about telling a good story, coming up with a cool phrase. Make sure you fill your frames with, your main image. Cut out the stuff you don't need, and hopefully you have fun with it. And it's something cool and something relatively easy, but something fun, and you have a good story at the end.